Today I am using a Cricut machine. Start by cutting the 70 Groovies wavy pattern on the permanent vinyl. You can find this pattern on Canva, which is completely free to sign up. I will leave a link in the description box. If you do not have a Cricut machine, do not worry. An option can be to use an X-Acto knife to create the wavy pattern on the vinyl. However, your design may differ slightly and it may be time consuming, but don't let that stop your creativity. Here's a little ASMR. Stick the pattern onto the white leather, which was found at Dollar Tree. You will need 2 sheets of black permanent vinyl and it's self-adhesive. I will also be using black leather from Dollar Tree. Glue both leather ends together, shiny side facing each other on the inside. Leave one of the shorter sides on stick, then carefully turn the leather inside out. Cut up the foam, then fill the inside of the pillow. Glue the top section to seal the pillow. Ensure that all sides are glued completely and there's no opening. Simple, easy, trendy, and no sewing was involved. Let me know in the comment section the best place in your home to place this DIY throw pillow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY leather throw pillow that can be used in your living room or your office decor or even your bedroom. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, elevate your space, not your spending.